Laban hanggang kamatayan, di palulupig sa kalaban. Pangangalaga ng nasasakupan, ipagtatanggol ang kaharian. Ivandra, Ivandra. Magiting akong isinilang at sa bayan ko nakalaan ang tahanan ng mga diwata sa kapayapaan na katadhana. Ashmana, Ashmana. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah.
Oh, how to catch? Why not give you catch we have today? Also, thank God for the blessing. Indeed, we should go celebrate. But before that, I'll go check up on my daughter and before I'll go to the banquet. Okay. I should go now. Bye-bye.
Papa! Papa! I was replaced in the story meeting. The teacher said my story was touching.
Really? Am I hearing this right? Come here. My daughter is the best writer in the world. I'm sure you'll make it stories one day.
I write about you, Papa. The greatest Papa ever.
I can wait to read those one day.
What's happening?
Just go. Stay here, anak ko. If you don't pay out the debts, papatayin kita. I'll make sure every one of you are dead.
Yes, sir. I swear I will give it to you tomorrow. Sir, please, not my son.
Magbayad ka if you want to see your son alive. Ah!
Papa, what does that noise?
Wala lang yun, anak. Gusto mo kain tayo ng fried chicken and fish?
Really? Yay!
Anak, don't forget about your notebook. Your writing might get you far one day.
I have it, Papa. I'm reading now in front of my class.
Just be careful, okay? Things have been peaceful lately.
I'm not afraid, Papa. I just want to learn.
Just promise me you'll come home straight after school.
Promise.
Promise?
I promise. I go home. Maybe later you can read what I wrote.
Okay, you may go now and be careful, okay?
Okay.
If you only knew, anak, it's not safe anymore.
Wala na lang si Julia ngayon. Lumipat na lang sila dahil sa pagbatal.
Good morning, class. peace means to you. So we'll answer one by one. Let's start with Miss Josephine. So for me, peace is when Papa comes home alive every day.
For me, peace when we don't have to run under the desk when that shock happened.
Peace is when Mama doesn't cry at night.
Those are brave answers and very real. You all have strong habits. Down! Everyone is down! I want to go, Papa! Class, stay down! Stay quiet! Listen, class, okay? Go be safe. This will be all right. Go be safe. Go be safe. Papa, I was so scared. I couldn't even see you again.
I'm here. I'm glad you're safe now. And Anak, you're not going back to school anymore.
But Papa, how about my story, my dream, my reading?
Anak, I know how much it means to you, but I cannot lose you. If you only knew it's not safe anymore.
Bakit ganito, Papa? Why can I just learn in peace?
Anak, it's because even Jews are safe in places like this.
Then who will write my story, Papa?
Let's go home na rin. Go with your backpack. Let's go home na rin.
Good day, Philippines! I'm here in a small village in Mindanao. Together with me are the brave people of this community. Fathers, mothers, students, all with stories the world needs to hear. Mang Carlo, what do you want others to understand about your community?
We are not troublemakers. We are just people trying to live, feed our families, that's all.
Aling Mercy, how has the situation affected your children?
They are crying at night. They are scared even in school. All I want is for them to study in peace, not in fear.
Jocelyn and Juan, what are your hopes for the future?
I want to be a writer, but how can I write a future if I'm not sure I survive? I just want the world to hear us. Really, hear us.
I dream of becoming a teacher, but right now, I'm just dreaming becoming of peace.
Mang Jose, what message do you want the government to hear?
Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Government, if you're listening to us, we are your peoples too. Not just statistics. We are fathers, fishermen, and a Filipino too.
We promise to make your voices heard. Through this, the whole Philippines will know your truth. We will not erase you. We will remember you. And to everyone watching this, don't look away. This is real. These are real people. Don't let more innocent lives be lost.
Anak, stay here, I'll buy some food.
Okay, Papa.
don't shoot. I'm not a rebel. I'm a fisherman. I have a child.
Papa! 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 Papa!
Justicia! 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 Justisya!
Hustisya para kay Mang Jose. Hindi siya rebelde. Kapayapaan, hindi karahasan.
Today, we're here outside of the municipal office. You're watching real lives, real griefs. This isn't just a rally. This is a reckoning.
My papa is not a rebel. He was not carrying a gun. He was scared of fish. He was trying to survive.
How many more must die before they call it tragedy? Justice for Mang Jose. Mang Jose fish died me. Since we were a kid, he didn't even know how to use gun.
We regret what happened. It was a case of mistaken identity. The area was under conflict. Collateral damage cannot always be avoided.
So lives are just collateral. We are not errors. You are.
We are dealing with insurgents hiding among the civilians. We will not apologize for defending the Republic.
You call it defense. I call it murder. My papa was not hiding. He was walking. No, I walk alone. He told me to write the truth, even if it hurts. So I'm writing this for every children who's lost a father. They say they're protecting the nation, but who will protect my father? The children, the dreamers.
This is our voice. This is his story, and I will keep writing until no one else has to. For once, we are not invisible.
Buyayang, buyayang, buyayang sa tubig. Ako na nakayang walay katig-katig. Walay buksay-buksay, buktunday pangkaykay.
Kikiliit. Papa, papa. Papa! Hindi nagubay! Wala commercial ba? Commercial ba?
Tabon na naman yun naong. Oh, lagi.
Tabon mo tanawang, guys.
Tabon mo naong.
Go.
We are not...
Really, hurt us.
Tingnan nilang Jocelyn ba? Huwag yan papa.
Sagot na?
So lives are just collateral. So today,
You call it defense. I call it...
Eh. Ala. Gaya. Ala.